Welcome, today I've heard of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the X icon changer on this device. So first we should get the X icon changer app from the Play Store. That's why I open the Play Store here. And on the search bar, let's enter the X icon changer and now and now we should get this application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while our application downloading and then installing on our smartphone. Now just we should open the application here. And select one from these available applications. For example, I'll go with the phone app. So now we can use one from this library folders with the icons, or we can use photo from our device gallery, or just to use camera to take a picture right now and to set it on our just phone application. For example, I'll use the folder with these icons. For example, with this one, then just to use this icon, we should click on the right upper corner to OK. Just we should wait a couple of seconds to skip the ads. So now we just should click here to edit automatically, and we can go to the desktop to see the new icon, or we can change the next icon by the same way. Just select, enter, use the icon and tap to OK. So now we can see the new icon of phone application here and we can see the difference. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.